Oh, what is she selling here? Do you have banh mi chicken?
Bánh mì chicken, hello. Bánh mì chicken.
Okay, I'll take one banh mi chicken, please.
25, 35, 45.
What is the difference?
Hello, 2 sticks.
Oh, two
Five,
sticks.
25.
Okay, I'll take 2 sticks.
Okay, one. Với như hai đàn đúng rồi.
Thank you.
Chili.
Chili, yes, please. This is cucumber, this one?
Cucumber, okay.
Okay.
Papaya, Korean.
Smells very nice. Very nice. How do you know which one is which one?
Chicken.
Oh, and this is the chicken. Okay, okay. Thank you so much. Do you have change for 200? And here I have my banh mi. Look at this inside, grilled chicken with vegetable. I think she, oh yeah, she put the white sauce and the spicy sauce inside.